last time we were here 3 months ago was under a big fanfare where we launched the very first Bitcoin fund on the NASDAQ here in Dubai. It's taken 3 months for us to get the trading initially started, to develop the relationships, to bring volumes here. And this week at the crypto conference, at the AIM conference, we came back and we're spending our time visiting all our customers here in Dubai. Well, to put all that into context, China banned Bitcoin 7 times over the last 10 years. So, but this one was a very serious ban, because what they did is they also seized the bank accounts of all the crypto managers, of all the mining companies. And it's kind of like shooting themselves in the foot a little bit, because Bitcoin was created so that governments couldn't seize your currency or seize your bank accounts. So it's really proven it proves out Bitcoin's use case, and that's what we've seen. Bitcoin now at 57,000 is on its way to touch its all-time highs. Yeah, well, it's still very early, and I always bring it down to one fundamental thing. Money is going digital, and it's going digital in our lifetime, and that is arguably the single largest technological change of all of our lifetimes. And to have countries like the UAE embrace it and know that it's the future is extraordinary, because a lot of governments, a lot of central governments don't know where it's going. So Canada is very much a leader, and Canada and the UAE are very close. And we've been happy to be able to use our experience in Canada and bring it here to the UAE. Yes, so first of all, shall we say, the technological challenges of creating the big volumes that we were hoping for were a little greater than we expected. So the volumes have been low on the NASDAQ Dubai, but with our recent negotiations with the DFSA, we expect the volumes to significantly increase in Dubai. And we have a number of other products that we're looking at bringing, but we want to get the first one right. And most of the family offices and the institutions out here, they want to start with Bitcoin. They understand it, they understand blockchain, but they want to start with their first Bitcoin fund. And this way they can buy a regulated and approved, safe, secure way to invest in it. Well, yeah, so it's really quite interesting, because we obviously, through IQ, have created with our partners at StableCorp digital Canadian dollars, digital US dollars. Now, the way I explain digital currencies, digital Canadian dollars, digital US dollars, is remember when we were, my generation, when we were in this 80s backpacking around Europe, we would always say, what would you use as cash? Well, you wouldn't use cash. You would use American Express traveler's checks. An American Express traveler's check is a paper representation of a deposit at a bank. So now all a digital currency is a digital representation of a deposit at a bank. Now, if that bank is the central bank of the country, you're bypassing your entire banking system.
That's right.
The banks need deposits to be able to give out mortgages, to give out loans, to help small businesses, to work with the people of the country. So I don't believe it's the central bank's place to issue their local currency, but they should support their banking network to allow the creation of digital currency.